Welcome to my channel once again. Today we are making waakye. I made a stew from my previous video, and then this time around I'm just making just the waakye by itself. I have the waakye leaves, I have beans, I have water, I have salt, I also have baking soda, rice, and also aluminum foil. I'll leave the details under the description so you can just follow up to see how much of everything I'm using. Alright, so let's get started. I'm putting the water in. This is 2 cups of water. I'm actually going to add another cup of water. Another 2 cups of water. And I will add my beans. And then my waakye leaves. Alright, I'm going to add another 2 cups of water. And I'm going to add my baking soda for fast cook. I'm going to allow this to cook for at least 25 to 30 minutes on medium heat. Okay, so now the beans looks good. You can leave the leaves in, but personally I don't, so I'm going to take it out because I don't want the rice stuck in between them. So I'm taking my leaves out. Like I said, you can leave it in and cook with the rice, but I just don't want to leave mine in there. So now I'm going to add my salt. Good. And 2 more cups of water. I have already washed my rice. I'm going to add the rice now. I am not going to add another water in here. It seems like the water in here is already much, so I might take a little bit out and probably add it later on if I need to. But I'm just going to cover it and cook it on a medium or low heat basically. So because the water is a bit much, I'm just going to take some out. And I'll add it later on if I need to. So I have like about 1 cup out, and I'm just gonna allow the waakye to cook on medium heat. Alright, so let's take a look. Ooh. Doesn't it look pretty? Look at that. So a little bit of water in there. Oh, some part is not cooked yet, so I'm just going to stir and allow it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes, and we should be good to go. It is so pretty, right? Look at that. Just look at it. Alright, so I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to let it cook again for 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. And we should be ready to serve it. The waakye is done at this point. Ooh. So this is the final look of the waakye.